Hi, I'm Courtney, and I'm a customer service representative here at Techniform Moccamaster. And this is going to be question number 6 in our top 10 series of the most commonly asked customer service questions. Question 6 is, I accidentally threw away my brew basket lid. How do I get another one? Well, luckily for you, we have many replacement parts available on our website, which is moccamaster.com. Or you can always give us a call at customer service. Our number is 855-662-2200. We can help you place an order for whatever part you may have lost or broken. We have lids, outlet arms, brew basket, carafe, just about anything you could need. If, for example, you happen to break a part instead of just losing it accidentally, those parts can be 100% recycled. So once you get the replacement, you go ahead and toss that in with your regular recycling and do your part for the environment. And for those customers that might have a slightly older Moccamaster, maybe that we don't carry anymore, we do have those parts available as well. And we'll continue to carry them just in case you need kind of a specialty carafe or brew basket, one of those types of parts. We have them available for all Moccamasters, so we've got you covered. Thanks for watching. Next time, make sure you tune in because we're going to be talking all about filters.